Hello everyone, I hope you're doing well. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to use the past perfect continuous. The past perfect continuous is formed by using had plus been plus an ing verb. For example, had been going, had been doing, had been studying, etc. So when do we use the past perfect continuous? Think of an action that happened in the past. Let's say you got married in 2015. So you have to think of another action that started earlier and continued until that point in the past. For example, you started studying in 2013. Until 2015, when you got married, that's about 2 years. So you say, when I got married, I had been studying at university for 2 years. When I got married, I had been studying at university for 2 years. So getting married is an action that happened in the past, and before that there was a continuous action. So the earlier action continued until getting married, which is in the past. And there is something very important here. It's about the duration of the action. So the duration of the action is very important. When I say when I got married, I had been studying at university for 2 years. For 2 years. So this is the duration of the action. Let's take another example. Let's say the police caught a criminal. Okay, so that happened in the past. So before the police caught the criminal, they were looking for him. But let's say, for example, they caught the criminal in 2020. They started looking for him in 2017. So that's around 3 years. Okay, so we say by the time the police caught the criminal, they had been looking for him for 3 years. By the time the police caught the criminal, they had been looking for him for 3 years. Okay? So we use the past perfect continuous to stress the duration of an action that was happening until a point in the past. Okay, so the examples I gave you, when I got married, I had been studying at university for 2 years. So I got married in 2015. I started university in 2013. So from 2013 until 2015, when I got married, that's around 2 years. So this is the duration of an action. Okay. Another example is about the criminal that was caught by the police. So the criminal was caught by the police in 2020, but before that they were looking for him. So they started looking for him in 2017. So from 2017 until they caught him, that's around 3 years. So we say by the time the criminal was caught, the police had been looking for him for 2 years. So here we can use when we talk about the dependent clauses in the sentence. So when I got married, okay, I had been studying at university for 3 years. We can also say before I got married, I had been studying at university for 2 years. Or you can also say by the time, which is the most common here. By the time I got married, I had been studying at university for 2 years. So that's all about the past perfect continuous. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you so much and see you next time. Bye bye.